Okay, I want to welcome you back to Tax Organizer. This is our next demonstration here. And what we'll probably be doing just on this demonstration is just covering mileage groups, um, really for interesting time, because I'd like to be able to spend a little more time on the properties um, feature we have within our Tax Organizer account. But mileage groups again is as easy as setting up your expense group. So I'm going to go ahead and click on View All. Once that opens up, adding a mileage group is as easy as just clicking this button. Now, just a little bit of background on why we've decided to do mileage groups this way in groups. Obviously, number one, we want you to be able to have ease of data entry, not have to be extremely repetitive. And so we find that there are some things in business that we do on a daily basis. Number one, and this was for me, company has a PO box. I've got to go and check my PO box every day, check for mail. And so we've grouped it so that I don't have to always do all 5 W's every time I go to the PO box to keep track of my mileage. So we set it up as a group, and then I'm just adding the daily mileage to that group. And as I go through this with you, it should make a little more sense. So what I'm going to call this description is basically PO box. We'll do August 2011. Who, it's obviously USPS. Where, we're going to do it here in Salem, Utah. The purpose is to check mail, just as easy as that. Now I'm going to obviously group this by month, so we're in August. Going to start off with August 1st, obviously end here at August 31st, and submit this group. Now we've got most of what the IRS want for the deduction. The only thing we're missing now is obviously the actual miles. Okay, now I can do that through my back office on the website here by clicking in details. Okay, now I see what basically this mileage group is, and simply adding miles. Okay, all I have to add now, because I have all this information here, no need to enter that again. I just go ahead and add mileage, and let's say that's where the odometer starts at, and it's going to end off at, okay, the date we're going to leave just as is, because that is today's date, and I'm going to go ahead and submit. Now what you'll find is obviously the system automatically totals my mileage for that trip. For the total mileage for the trip group, I will see that total mileage right there. Okay, and obviously adding mileage for another day is as easy as doing that. And let's just say and it will file this chronologically too. So for an example, now you can see my monthly mileage has shot up to 85 miles. So you can see a good breakdown there. And that's really it for my mileage groups. We'll, on the next tutorial, go ahead and introduce you to the most recent update to our tax organizer system, and that is properties. But as always, if there are any questions or concerns, please give us a call. We can be reached at 800-477-9168, or you can email us at support@taxorganizer.biz. Thank you.